Hey guys, it's me, Izzy, again. I already uploaded my Obama pillow thing, yeah. So, I just want to say a book review, review thing, Chasing Redbird. So it's actually pretty good. The first chapter is super short. Like, there's the map, title, whoever it's for. Typical content. And here's the first one, okay? Look. Some nice writing. Go down a nice page. Turn to the next page. A little bit of writing. And then look, that page. Chapter 2 already. Okay, so I just want to read a little, because it's pretty good. Okay, so you might think that because Rose had caught the whooping cough from me, and I was still living, that Aunt Jessie and Uncle Nate would hold it against me. But they didn't seem to. Instead, they took me on as their own special responsibility. I was a sticky, pathetic child who caught every germ that flowed through the house. Every time I got sick, Aunt Jessie would bundle me up and take me to her house and nurse me until I got better. Sometimes she called me Rose instead of Zinnie, which made me feel weird. No, just kidding. Particular. That'd be weird. No, that is weird though. I wondered if I was Rose. So Rose is Aunt Jessie's and Uncle Nate's daughter who died. Maybe it was Zinnie who had died, and I was Rose, and these were my real parents. My mother was having babies right and left, and maybe she felt guilty. She had so many children, while Aunt Jessie and Uncle Nate had none. Maybe she also felt, as I later came to feel, that we owned Aunt Jessie and Uncle Nate something. In any case, my parents let them fuss over me, and I liked being at their house. Although I avoided the drawer, it was back in the dresser, and I'd imagine horrid things in it, dead bodies especially. So you should definitely read. That's a little sneak peek. You should definitely read this book, Chasing Red. So I would recommend it. Yeah, it's really good, and it has it's the winner of the Newbery Medal for Walk to Moon. So yeah, I'll read a little more, I guess. When I wasn't sick, Aunt Jessie and Uncle Nate would take me on health walks around the farm. Uncle Nate might point out that because a red oak had open pores, its wood was used to make barrels that would hold dry things, but a white oak's pores owes sticky gum that formed a tight seal. So with white oak, you can make ships. He and Aunt Jessie were regular walking. Hold on, I can't. Enchilapidas. Yeah, I just can't pronounce that word. I mean, I know it. Enchilapidas. Bingo! Aunt Jessie would say, bending down to point out a buttercup or a fern. She'd pick up a plant fossil and tell me how it got there millions of years ago. What a wonder! The only things she didn't think were wonders were snakes. She'd flinch at the sight of a croak twig mistaken for a snake. "There's one thing I can't a bit," she'd say. "A snake is not a wonder to me. I don't know how God could have made such a creature." So, definitely read it.